January 2nd, going back to work. First day back of the year. Let's go. Time to get busy, lock in, and stay focused, you know?
I got these feelings, but I can't show the world that. I'm pulling up the clubs when you and your girls at. Stalker on me, I don't really care for Montclair. She said it's cold on my chest, where my heart at. I know you see that I'm trying. What's up, vlog?
Of course I bought you the
Thank
GoPro.
you, thank you, bro. It's helping me out with my content now. Sheesh. That shit's about to be quality. Hey, go subscribe to me though. Take him to church. So go subscribe to my to my channel. Wait, let me
put it right here. Put it right here.
Let me redo that.
Put it right here.
Hey, go subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a content right now. This is BTS of our meeting.
Put it right here. Be like. Today is Sunday, and it's a Sunday reset day. I like to do all these stuff on Sunday to pretty much get ready for the week coming up. On our agenda today, we're gonna be going to the farmer's market. We're gonna be going to Trader Joe's. We're gonna be planning out a video for tomorrow. I usually like to plan it out a couple days or a week before, but I've been so busy that I just haven't had time. On top of that, we're also gonna clean the house just because it's Sunday, you know? So we tried to go to a farmer's market in Japantown, but there was nothing there. So now we're heading to the Campbell one to see if there is one there, because they said this one was open, but there's nothing here.
Lies.
You lied to me. So this is everything that we got from the farmer's market. These flatbreads are here, really good. We usually go to him. It's the same dude. Kind of gives us a deal when you buy more. Got these sauce, which is a mint dip, sweet jalapeno, cilantro pesto, and then we got cheese curds because where's that Canadian over there loves cheese curds. Maybe you should make poutine with these.
That's exactly what I'm gonna do,
There you
because
go.
there's nowhere I can find that makes poutine.
See? Okay.
Homemade.
Then we got some ribeye, some good old big pasteurized ribeye, and we got New York steak just because it was like 26 bucks. So fuck it, right? We also got some sourdough, Asiago cheese sourdough, some onions that I'm gonna use to make some like cough syrup thing with. Pure honey, that's how I'm gonna make the cough syrup. This and onions and garlic. Carrots for I don't know what, but we got it. And so yeah, this is the haul. Oh, we also got some oranges too. Trying to be a little bit, you know, better and support local farmers and businesses. So yeah. Eyes are burning from these onions.
You think you're funny, huh? You think you're funny, huh?
Damn.
Content, boys.
Wow. Look at that. We inspired him to vlog.
Yeah.
Marvin.
It was Twitch gaming, now it's YouTube.
Look at this vlogger.
What's up, vlogger? Oh yeah.
What are you guys doing?
We are double checking the product. You know, we want to make sure our customers
Dropping next
are
week?
satisfied.
Is
with
this
our
gonna
work.
drop before we drop it or no?
Probably not.
Ah, damn it. I guess.
These already dropped.
Yeah, these already dropped already.
This is how it looks like. Look, I'm gonna show you a vlog. Tristan's vlog. Vlog. See the details. Peep the details. Oh. Okay. I'm wearing the black one right now.
I'm wearing the black one.
We're
Wait,
all wearing.
you're wearing the black one.
I have a puppet too. We're
You're wearing
matching
the
too.
pink one.
What? Is he wearing the black one? He's wearing the
Ah, got it.
It's hella wide. It's kind of sick. Like this. Got to the new spot. Where we at? What street bowl?
We at 4th Street Bowl.
Wait.
Okay.
Where'd you got this one?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
We are at the dine-in next to 4th Street Bowling. We're about to shoot the scene of after schools.
Energy.
We are outside of 4th Street Bowling Diner. We're about to shoot.
More energy.
We are outside.
That's too much.
You said more energy.
All right, so we outside. We about to go shoot at this diner right here. It's called 4th Street Bowling. Tristan, put the photos in right now.
Hey, the substitute earlier was ass, huh?
Straight up. Yeah, that fool called me by my government name.
Your government name? What, Jennifer?
The kids go to school today?
What the fuck?
What's up, chat? Is that for your vlog?
We guys can hold hands.
Hey Blanco. Hey, this is your life motto, huh?
You with the shit.
A handshake on camera. Marker? No, the bookboard. I mean the binder. I mean the fucking clipboard.
I mean.
I do need to get one shot.
Take your time.
Just got done with the shoot. Now we shooting some reels for the Instagram.